Pump up a gray 260 balloon almost all the way. Just leave about a 5-finger tail at the end. Then pump up another grade 260 balloon about the same amount as the first. Tie the nozzles of the balloons together. Place the balloons side by side and then measure out and twist 2 8-finger bubbles. Take the longer of the 2 balloons and bring it back up against the 2 8-finger bubbles. Then make a third bubble the same size as the first 2. Tie the 2 nozzles around the twist of the third bubble. Make a 5-finger loop on both sides. You may want to compare the second loop with the first one before twisting it, just to make sure they're the same size. Put that aside for now and grab a green 160 balloon, and then pump it up about 3/4 of the way. Then make a 3-finger loop. Pull the nozzle through the center of the loop to lock it into place. Next, make a 4-finger loop. Then make another 3-finger loop and make sure it's the same size as the first 3-finger loop. Cut off and deflate the end of the balloon. Then wrap the tail around the 3 loops. Shorten the tail so it's about 3 fingers long. You want it to stand up straight, so if it flops over, shorten it a little more. This will be the stem of the leaf. This will be placed on top of Totoro's head. In order to do that, take another gray 260 balloon and wrap it around the leaf. Wrap the gray 260 around the bubble that will make up the top of Totoro's head, and then pull it through the 2 bottom bubbles. Then tie a knot. Then blow up a white 12-inch Quicklink balloon. This will be Totoro's belly. Before tying a knot, you'll want to measure the balloon against Totoro's head and arms to see if you need to add or take away any air. Tie the ends of the gray 260 balloon around the nozzle of the white round. Then wrap the rest of the gray 260 around Totoro's ears. What's left of the gray 260s will be Totoro's arms and feet. Pull them as close to the white round as possible and then wrap them around the link at the bottom of the white balloon. Deflate what's left and tie it into a knot. Cut off any remaining tails. And then tuck any small pieces that are left behind the balloons so you can't see them. You'll want to make 2 6-finger bubbles on either side for the feet. Hold the part of the balloon that will make up the foot with your left hand and twist the top part of the balloon that will make up the arm with your right hand. Then do the opposite on the other side. Use a black Sharpie to draw 2 circles on Totoro's face. Put a dot in the center for the pupils. Then use a white paint pen to fill in the whites of the eyes. If your paint pen is new like mine, you might have to do several coats to get the eyes as white as you'd like them. If you press the tip of the pen against a piece of paper in between each use, the paint will flow out better and better each time. Draw a rounded upside-down triangle for the nose. Then draw a curved line over the nose and a slight frown for the mouth. Then finish off the face with 3 whiskers on both sides. In order to get the markings on his belly even, imagine an invisible line coming down from his nose. And then draw a mountain peak on both sides of that invisible line. Then draw another mountain peak on both sides of the first 2. Draw a 5th mountain peak below and in the center of the first 4. Then add 2 more on both sides. Then fill in each mountain peak till they look like little boomerangs. In order to make this Totoro balloon, you will need a white 12-inch round Quicklink balloon, scissors, a green 160 balloon, 3 gray 260 balloons, a black Sharpie, and a white paint pen. If you'd like to get these items on Amazon, I will leave links in the description below.